how to fit a pre-fold and a wrap. So you take your pre-fold, and I would say have it with the long side facing this way, and you take your baby, put him on, and then you fold this bit up or together to bring it through the crotch, and then you can fan it out again. And this is sitting a bit too high. This should sit just below the belly button, and so you can fold this down. Easiest way to adjust a pre-fold. And then you bring over your wings from this end, and you take your diaper fastener. I've got a Snappi here. Pull it in on one end, pull it across. It has to be pretty taut, otherwise it'll just come loose. But you won't stab your baby, I promise. These are all pointing inwards, so they can't actually feel anything. Okay, and you want this fairly nice and tight to hold it all together. Ideally some kind of a Y shape. And then you roll in some of the material to give you a better leg seal. If you find it's still too high in the back, you can also roll that down or even inwards to give you a better leak protection. Just try and see what works for you. And then your wrap, needs to cover the back of the pre-fold there. And this is probably now too big because we had it over that big fitted earlier, so we're just going to make the rise a bit smaller. You won't have to change that frequently in terms of rise changes because you'll mostly be using similar systems, and you only have to do this once your baby starts changing and growing. Okay, so put these over. Again, you want to fit this into the underwear line on both sides. Fold that over and pull up and over. On both sides. You can do this asymmetrically. It doesn't have to fit the same on each side. Everybody's body is different. And there's no pre-fold poking out anywhere. What about the back? That's all good. Nothing there. You can still fit two fingers in there, and that's how you fit a pre-fold. There are lots of different types of folding these around your baby. This isn't the only way, so you can do a little bit more research if you're keen. To quickly show you, there's one called the bikini twist, which is like that. So show you. And then just gives you more absorbency. If that makes you feel a bit funny of how that's going to feel in between your baby's legs, you can just put an insert in there or a liner, whatever you think might fit there. It might make it a bit flatter. And then that's how you fan it out. And again, you can fold this down again if that's too high up here, and then that gives a nice tight fit, good absorbency through the middle. So this is great for girls who pee more in the center, but you can also try it on your boy and just see what works.